Hey guys, it's AD again, and I thought I would try to put together a video because I had somebody ask me who was having problems connecting their Sony A7 camera to their iPad using the Play Memories app. So I'd make this video, show you guys how to do it. It's pretty easy, so let's get started. All right, first thing you're gonna wanna do is call up the camera here, and you're gonna go ahead and hit the menu key, which is gonna bring up your menu here. You're gonna wanna go to applications. So in the applications, you're gonna go to application list. And you'll see I have a couple of extra applications in here. I actually have some third-party non-Sony applications installed on my camera, which are open source, and they are amazing. Better manual, focus brackets, and tweak, and then the depth of field map, all really cool. I'll give you a link to those in the description or in the post for this video so that you can check them out. All right, so you're gonna wanna scroll down and go to Smart Remote Control. Go ahead and select that, and you'll probably be presented with this screen. And your first thing you're going to want to do is think, well, I'm going to connect my Wi-Fi, I'm going to scan that, and that's exactly wrong. So let me show you what happens and why it gets stuck. Actually, all of these companies update their privacy so much, and you try to update and stay with them, and they don't stay in sync. So right now, iPad security and privacy issues, this doesn't work, this method. So I'm going to show you how to make it work. All right, so let's go over to the iPad. Here we are on our main screen on the iPad, and we're going to go ahead and go into settings. I'm not going to open up the app just yet. And the settings you're going to want to look at are Wi-Fi. All right, so you're going to look for your camera to be listed. Mine's called ZZ something, Explorographer 1. And that's showing up here at the top of the Wi-Fi list. If I click on that, it'll try to connect. And it has a password right now, and it will connect because mine is working. But if yours isn't working and it won't connect, this is what you do, especially if it was working before. If it was working before, this is going to be a perfect fix for you. You're going to look for the little eye to the right of the camera name and click on that. All right, and that's going to open up the eye on there. And you're going to want to select Forget This Network. So go ahead and select Forget. And what that essentially is going to do is reset the password in the Wi-Fi on your iPad. Okay, so now it doesn't have a password anymore. It's going to need that. So click on your camera once again, and you'll be presented with the prompt for a password. All right, let's go back to the camera. So it's telling you to scan a QR code. That doesn't work. But if you look at the bottom, it says connect with password, and it has the trash can. So click on the trash can on the back of your camera, and you'll see your password is now listed. So we're gonna go ahead and type in that password, and it is case sensitive. So it's capital T over here on the iPad, lowercase b, capital K, 3, lowercase k, oops, lowercase k-e, uppercase X, and then 9. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit, you can hit return or join up here at the top. I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and we'll look at the camera, and the camera will connect. So while that's saying connecting, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Play Memories app in here. So get that running, and it should connect immediately between the camera and the iPad. So we'll just look at the both screens here, and there you go, it's connected. All right, now you can control everything with the Play Memories app. Now you can control your ISO if you want to bring the ISO up. You can do the length of the shot. So if we want to go long exposure, whatever. You can even touch focus and do all that kind of stuff, even though I'm in manual focus right now with a manual lens. And then of course you have your menu down here. You can call that up, and you can do all the settings here. You can adjust your image, my image quality priority. I really want to see a good image, whatever. And then once you're done, go ahead and hit the shoot button here, the shutter, and we'll take a picture. And I have my shutter on silent, so it goes ahead and takes a picture, and then it'll load that picture in, and you can see it right there. All right, that's it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to post them in the comments on this particular video here on Patreon. And if you guys have questions about camera equipment or apps or want to see me do a video on something, please let me know, because that's what this channel is all about. So, all right, guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. And remember, stay creative.